Hey, check it out. It is cruise night here in Huntington Beach, California. We got a good turnout. We're gonna give some things away to the children's groups. We're gonna drive by Tommy Simpson's house with all the hot rods. We're gonna cruise Main Street. Let's take a walk, see what we got. I saw some new cars pull in here we hadn't seen before, so let's go check it out. Usual suspects. There's chat. Got Buford and Linda with the 5.7 210 hardtop. They're here. Like that. We got Mouse and Mary driving the Flame 35. How about that? Hey there. We got 44 Deluxe Black, a 5.7 hardtop Bel Air, American Torque Truss. Gary the Gunslinger, he won an award last night with his pick-em-up truck. And we got my 5.5 my 54 Ford. That is Stephen R. Bailey. And next to Stephen R. Bailey, we got the old Futurama. And then there's my buddy Mike. We got Carlito, who's just over there. And that's his Futuramic. And let's see what else we got. Yeah.
What's up, baby?
What's going on, bro?
Hey, I want to take a special shout out to all those people out there. Oh, look at.
All right.
I want to tell them thank you for coming down on cruise night. And I want to thank Jim DeVork with the Mothers Group. We got product on the back of the truck for the youth shelter tonight. We're donating to the silent auction. Emily's down here from HB Youth Shelter, and we're just trying to raise money and help those guys out. And everybody out there, they need our help all year round, not just 1 week, not just Christmas time. All year round, the youth shelter needs our help. So Surf City Classics is dedicated to helping them out all year round. So all you guys out there who want to give back to your community in Huntington Beach, like Chip Foos, Mitch, all you guys are big guys, we can use your help. Any help we can get to give back to youth shelter is so important to give to the kids. They're our future generation, and we are helping them out. And we're doing it down here at Surf City Classics, and I'm really excited. And also to let everybody know tonight, we're going to see Tommy Simpson. We're rolling by Tommy's. Your prayers and thoughts have worked. He's waiting in his house tonight. In a little bit, we're going to roll by and do a pass by Tommy's.
Thanks, bro, for putting all this together. You're the man. That's Brian Alma's president, Surf City Classics.
It's an honor to be in the position I am, and I didn't put anything together. We all put it together. Baby.
Yeah, well, you lead the group. Thank you, bro. All right, let's check it out. Hey, how you doing? How's that 44 doing tonight? Yeah, cool. He won the big money at Gary's last night. He won the 50-50, and he came up because he thought he won another prize, and he almost had to do the walk of shame, but he got bailed out. But that is Mike Miller. That is 427 Nomad 56 Bel Air. He's got money bags. He's got a lot of capital in his pocket. Let's see how thick those pockets are there.
Yeah,
huh?
He's got a
money bags. Yeah. Hello, Buford. Hey, Linda. How are you? Yo, we got everybody from Gary's here last night, huh? Cool. Yeah, good. You came out a good night. Yeah. All right. And we got Mike. He's got his El Camino. Yeah. Look at that. Look at this fine group we got here. They were at Gary's last night, too. And there's some winners in the group. Yeah. And we got Jerry Slant Back 37, M&M Color Green. Ooh. And we got Steve Migliore. He had pizza back there. We had a couple slices earlier. Look at that. Everybody's sporting their SCC jackets. Look at that. Yeah. Cool. And back over here, there's Stephen R. Bailey's 55. Carlito is the coolest dude in any cruise night. That is Carl Thornton and his 50 old Futuramic. Hey, there he is right there. Hey, here's Pete. Hey, Pete. Carl. And Pete's got the Susie Q right there. Look at that. I like to call that a bikini top. That's probably not what it is, but I call it a bikini top.
It's a bikini, all right.
It's a bikini. Yeah. Got wide whites, chrome wheels. Yeah. Look at that. Shine a light on that. The block matches the paint color. Like they say, the carpet matches the drapes.
Oh, yeah.
How about that? There is Max. He's flashing me up with his camera right there. Feel like I'm a star on film. Then we got this pony. Look at this. 66, we think it is. It's a 2 plus 2. 66.
My favorite body style, the Mustang, mainly because of the GT350, even though this isn't that car.
Right.
But it
Probably
is
a
a Sprint
six-cylinder.
200.
Oh, it is? Okay, Sprint 200.
Yeah, with a 6-cylinder.
200, straight 6.
Automatic.
Yeah, automatic. Cool. All right, look at this. Look at these guys. Whoa, what up? What up, my young brother? What up? Good. Wow, you even, well, oh, cool. Look at that. How badass is that? Yeah. All right, cool. Got his hat on back. But you're just so cool, man. Where'd you learn that from? Cool. Yeah, I was overseeing your dad earlier today, and he said, yeah, he's going to go and pick you up and bring you down here. How cool is that? Yeah. Cool. You got a good turnout tonight, huh? Yeah. Hold up. Hey, fellas. All right. Yeah. Then we got Tom Peterson over here. Hey, Tom. Oh, you thought you weren't going to be able to make it.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, you did make it.
Our meeting's next week.
Okay. All right.
So I'm going to do something like that.
Try to get out of the lane and see if it'll correct.
Wow.
Not only that, but
Look at these guys. Everybody's here having conversation.
Center console.
That's your center console. What are you going to do with all them shifters?
No, not exactly that, but
Okay.
it's going to be along those lines.
All right. Looks like you got a dog pulling you all around. Yeah.
Say hi to DanoLive.
Yo, what up? Speak. Speak. Roof, roof. Speak.
Get him, Frankie. Get him, Frankie. Get him, Frankie. Sick balls, Frankie.
All right. Let's continue on. We got Patrick Comfort and Franken C10 right there. Then we got a Nova. Look at this. You got steel wheels wrapped with Mickey Thompson's. It's yellow. Looks like a racing car there, Max.
Those are the rally wheels.
Rally wheels. How cool. All right, let's see what we get over here. Besides the Mustang, got Max's Corvair right next door to it.
With the Moon Eyes sticker on it because Miss Moon Eyes rode in my car.
Oh, that's how that got there. Look at
I
that.
put that on it, cruising for a cure.
Hey, they're Dylan and Jason cruising in with a family 5.5. We got Scotty's Chevelle right here. And Brian didn't bring his hot rod. He bought the big old Dodge pick 'em up
With
truck.
train horns.
With train horns, yeah. And well, we got the newlywed couple, week 2. Denny and Carrie. And Linda and Tammy. And we got a 340 6-pack. That'd be Tom. Tom's in the house. And see, we got Dominic. Dominic rolled in with his 5.7. They got like 357s here tonight. How cool is that? And we got a Cadillac. That Cadillac over there, a Coupe de Ville. Let's see what else we got. We'll get back to the Brian's big truck with all the other stuff on the back. We'll walk far and come back. Hey, Trevor, what up? What's going on?
How are you?
Good, fine, thanks. Willie's lighting up the pavement with a 68 Camaro. And that's Willie's Auto Service here at Huntington Beach. He is the DanoLive vehicle maintenance sponsor. He makes sure the Dano van is rolling and running. I got Trevor, who we just said hey to, coming with the baddest sound of 572 cubic inch Chevelle. Once owned by his granddaddy. Now he gets to carry the flame forward. Yeah. And let's check this out, huh? I think this is a 6-cylinder Camaro. It's a 68. Original 6-cylinder. Not molested. Look at that. Automatic, 3-speed automatic on the console. One up in orange. Cool. And Adam over there rolling in with his 62 Fury. They got a Hemi in it. And look at that. We got Mel 69 Z. Or 69 Camaro, not a Z28, but the SS. Look at that. And one of the baddest Bonnevilles. 65 Bonneville, rolling on Astro Supremes with skinny whites. Yeah, it's a hardtop, no post. Man, look at this badass Cadillac. First time we're seeing it here on DanoVision. Look at that. Wow. There's something else rolling in. Well, the Trans Am, he made his debut last week. Cool. In the house. But look at this. Not a whole lot of front end, huh? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow, old school. Look at that. 641. 641 Cadillac. And I'll get a Packard right next door, huh? We got some cool badass cars. This be Blake's. Look at that. How cool. Oh, yeah. Dylan, what up, my brother?
Hello.
Yeah, Jacob. Jacob's got his cool. Got another cool car. Cool. Look at you. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, Mike's Camaro. We got a drop top 65 Chevelle. Yeah, there's Mike. Hey, Mike. How you doing tonight? Hey, good, good. Then we got badass ZL1. Bill, my buddy Bill, he just bought this last week or so too. Pretty badass, huh? Supercharged, about like 800 horsepower or something like that. Yeah.
Stupid fast, man.
We got Tom Peterson. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Got the big old brakes on it. Dang. Wow, look at those side of those calibers.
Nice 650. They're big.
I got the newlyweds, Denny Smith, his anniversary Corvette. And we got, you saw Dylan rode with his daddy with the 55 Bel Air. That'd be Dylan and Jason Rulin right there. And of course Neville, who we was just talking to, that's a 69. Badass. Look at this 68 bird. How about that? 68 Phoenix. And yeah, just as promised, my most favorite and photographer Woody, Surfing USA. And in there to get the 40 Ford. And I think Brian is starting before I even get over there.